Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to see this is gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search button. Then you enter your model number, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on motherboard title. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Both installations, guys, driver installations same. You just select which is you using. So in chipset driver, Intel serial driver, and click to download. And just open it. Double click to launch. Yes, this is installing. This is close means it's installed. This one also. Click to download icon. It is downloaded, then open. Then same, double click to launch, and then yes. Okay, and then closed.